We're going back again here at Radisson Blu Lietuva.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
So now let's begin. Can you ride this one? Take shoes off. Here we have a mini bar.
Fridge.
Kitchenette.
It's fridge, no drinks.
And fridge. Just like that. And here we have dining.
And 2 TVs.
What?
2 TVs.
Two television? This is actually sofa bed, right? Oh, you have access to the bathroom from here. So we have a living room. They have dining. Oh, done. We have our private bedroom. Heated floor. This is the shower, walk-in shower. The bath. Sink. What?
Last time we were 21.
Table.
This is my bed. Yeah.
Hi, don't go to the bed. You're dirty. I like it. It feels like a home.
Yeah.
Feels like home. We got some pretty interesting chair over here. Dining. Extra towel for the boy.
And what is this? Toilet.
That's the toilet. You can wash your hands here separately.
Nothing.
They have a separate toilet. Hey, light please. Things that you need. Towels over here, not on the floor this time. It's getting better and better, and the view is amazing. Same view, higher floor. Wow, that's the Neris River. And the mall panorama, I can see panorama shopping mall over there. It's a nice shopping mall. And there's another shopping mall over there. Big one. And somebody's figuring out the safe. What?
You need masks.
I have mask. So we're gonna return the car and take Uber, right? I'll go with you.
Clean it on the floor.
Just put it here. The towels are over there.
Oh yeah. Okay, I have to wash them.
I don't think the safe is gonna work.
Why?
I don't know.
No, it should work. Do it.
No.
What is that? It's not us. It's not us who did this, okay? It's been there from the start. I think somebody closed the door while the safe was open.
Yeah,
so it's not us.
What do you want to do?
Said it. I'm happy with this room. We have done. Look at me. Done. Finally, we have privacy.
This is my bed.
I can fart as much as I like.
What? What did you say?
I can fart as much as I like.
Don't be on the bed.
It's mine.
Why like that? Why do you want to contaminate my area?
It's mine.
Can you start fixing, please? We have a lot of stuff. Fix it.
Goodbye.
I need service.
This is the view. Oh, this one we can open the windows actually. Oh, How you do this? Just like that. Only one way. One way to open it. To get some fresh air.
But when you open, the aircon stops.
Yeah, why not? Just do, you know. Well, do you like the room so far?
So far, so good.
Mm.
Listen, when you're closing the door, be careful and safe.
It has to be closed when you...
Regular scratch, see?
Are you trying to hide there?
It's my room.
Keep it open. You have to close the safe first before closing the
I know,
cabinet.
but this doesn't work for some reason. It just won't work.
So we can call service. The safe doesn't work. It's always open. So we can't open the cabinet now.
Me? Mommy?
What did you say?
Can I make coffee for me?
Of course you can. We're gonna go return the car. We'll go to the airport. Now we don't need the car. Because we're in the sunroom. What? What do you mean? I'll fix. We have nothing. Come here. I'll just jump in the bed. Come here. And look what we got here. Lamp with reading lamp. Ordinary lamp, reading lamp. They have, as usual, very comfortable pillows and nice sheets. Very nice. Unlike the other sheets, this is really good quality. So we got some slippers, flip-flops. If you want to press your clothes, iron here. A lot of storage. This one got. Okay, I'll put some of the luggage here. Okay, some of the bags I put there. Radisson Hotels. Safety protocol. Telephone. And you have this nice lamp. It's like a signature here in a Radisson. Oh, it's touch. Only touch. No need to press, just touch. Nice. So here's the toilet. Phone. Plastic for sensitive garbage. They have a vanity kit, face and nail care. It's got some cotton buds. Cotton buds, Q-tips, cotton, and nail file. And they have the lotion is good. This is my favorite, very nice. This body wash. Shampoo also good, but this is amazing. I like it. Weighing scale. It's already open. What is that? What, yeah?
Gym, sauna, and jacuzzi.
And how about the cabinet? Safe.
we're gonna come. We're gonna send somebody.
I need the mask first. Don't wait. I have to get mask.
Come. You said you have.
Yeah, in the bag.
Okay, go get it. Go with her.